Over the time, I have understood that it's important to share and update the channel with my RTR experience, just like I do it with different engine oils and fancy accessories. Sometimes, or usually most of the time, small things can lead to big and expensive problems, and I did face something similar after installing my new rear tire. The only thing that saved me was my observation and obsession to clean my motorcycle even during the monsoon. This part of the video must clear the missing backplate on the swing arm and the chain adjusting bolt. Well, it must have fallen while installing the new tire where the axle was removed, or the technician didn't screw it in properly, which resulted in this empty space on the swing arm. Yes, I lost both the backplate and the adjustment bolt. If you are wondering, then it is similar to what we have on the other side of the swing arm. Losing screws and bolts are normal for a motorcycle which is regularly used, and many riders who do long distance rides may have already experienced this. But the one we are discussing here can be critical as the adjustment plate and the screw holds the chain in position. In fact, it is one of the important parts that keeps the rear axle aligned. Here we can clearly see the free movement with the missing adjustment setup. Long story short, I purchased a new clamp chain adjuster along with the adjustment screw. Don't forget to get a spring washer for this setup as it helps in keeping the screw in tension and prevents it from loosening due to vibrations that can have an impact on your chain slack and axle alignment. In my case, the alignment was messed up due to the missing adjustment setup, so it's always good to readjust and align your chain and axle after such incidents. There is a complete video on the channel on how to adjust the chain and align your axle. Along with that, you will also find videos on part replacements like chain slider and rust removal. To increase the views on the channel, I will leave the link for the same in the description. So this is how a 18 rupees part can save your chain sprocket setup, which is around 3000 rupees for the RTR 200. Please let me know in the comment section if I should continue with this kind of update videos. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.